To see angels in your dreams symbolize goodness, purity, protection, comfort and consolation. Pay careful attention to the message that the angels are trying to convey. These messages serve as a guide toward greater fulfillment and happiness. Alternatively, it signifies an unusual disturbance in your soul. Angels may appear in your dream as a result of your wicked and mean-hearted activities. To dream that you are an angel suggests that you are feeling good about something you said or did. In particular, to see 3 angels in your dream symbolize some sort of divinity. It is considered a particularly spiritual and holy dream. To see an angel holding a scroll in your dream indicates a highly spiritual dream. Your future and goals are more clearer to you. The message on the scroll is particularly significant. To see an angel of death in your dream refers to some abrupt end to a situation, habit or relationship in your waking life. Alternatively, the angel of death represents aspects of yourself that you have rejected or repressed.